This is the One by Interstate Group in Heatherbrae, Newcastle. Now it's built on a current Series 8 Fiat DUCATO, and it has the most common and requested configuration. It puts exactly everything where you would expect it. There is a permanent bed down the back here, which gives you a small garage area underneath. But let's just spin around. It's quite understated and it's quite, dare I say, stealthy. It comes standard with the Fiat Style and the Fiat Safety pack. You have your captain's chairs which do spin around. Standard Series 8 dashboard here with 2 extra seat belts to carry extra people. And then you have your bed at the back which is east-west. Lovely breeze through windows. A small wardrobe. It looks quite premium. They use some really nice components in here. Lovely fabric walls, good sound deadening. There is a all-in-one toilet shower here, one piece and fiberglass with black accessories and a swivel toilet cassette. Moving into the kitchen, underneath you'll find a hidden microwave. And then you have all your componentries in the door up here for your hot water and your air conditioning heater, light switches, plenty of upper cabinetry just looking along here. And again some on the other side, great space. And here is access from inside through the pass-through into the garage. Now they also have a second model on display. It had some optional extras fitted, but you have this huge awning with LED lighting. This particular model has fly screens fitted. Here is your brief rundown of specifications, but looking on their website you can easily find your local pricing, as each state has various on-road costs, and if you use their converter on their website it makes it easy. Just select your state and it will give you a full rundown. Moving back into the cabin you'll see the 2-seater dinette, and this is the fly screens. They're on the rear door and the side sliding door. The ones on the model here were magnetised. You can get them zippered, but you do have your fans. It makes it for a very comfy place. This lovely fabric walling which is great for sound deadening. You have access to your LPG and your water through here. And all your external auxiliary pieces and your toilet cassette on the side. And then here's just a brief rundown of the specifications regarding weight, length and GVM. Thanks for watching.